Hi and welcome. My name is Dominik and we are the Marobrothers, and today I'm going to be presenting you the coolest listing exclusively here in Sierra Blanca, Marbella, Spain. Welcome to this stunning entrance hall. What I first see is that it's light flooded. You have a beautiful staircase leading up, and it is what I call the epicenter of the house, because from here onwards the 6-bedroom distribution goes as follows. Right up here you have 3 bedrooms with the master bedroom in the middle, one on the left, one on the right. You have along this corridor right over here an ensuite bedroom. To the right you have a kitchen, right there the living room, dining area, and in the basement you have a staff compartment with 2 further bedrooms. Now, let me show you first how great this living space is here. So, just to note, you can also shut this living space down, but the fact that everything's open in this house creates a nice flow of energy, something that I love, the peaceful flow of energy. So, we are in this living room, and you have windows, really good one, double glazing from Roman, that bring a lot of light into this room. Furthermore, we have to the left here a nice chimney, fully functional with beautiful marble, a TV set, probably a 60-inch plasma screen, a really big one. Right behind the TV over there we have a office room. I'm not going to show it, it's not that interesting, it's just a desk and a chair for people to work from, but the view from there is fab. Now as we move forward, we have the big couch that divides the section between the living room and what I will then call the dining area that we have just to the left. Now embrace the space here. Double height ceilings, embedded air conditioning, sound system all around the house here, B&W, very good system, we tried it out. And right here, what used to be a separation of rooms, right over here, has been carved out, opened up so that there is this flow I was talking about. Right into the dining area, next to the kitchen, 6 chairs, beautiful round table, and this is funny actually because 1, 2, 3, 4 of your guests will appreciate a stunning view to the sea, to the greenery, whereas the others gonna have to look at you. But hey, it could be worse. Let me now show you the kitchen. Alright, kitchens is where family, friends gather together. And I'm sure with this beautiful kitchen island, wooden bar desk, stools where you can sit and enjoy your breakfast, everything here has been kept nice and clean in this modern minimalistic look. Appliances of Miele, soft clothes, beautiful. Here, nice oven, a TV in case you're copying a cooking show whilst you're preparing your food here. You also have a washing machine, everything, all the appliances here are Miele. A lot of cupboard space, which I appreciate in a functional kitchen, and you can see this kitchen is a functional kitchen. People cook here. Last but not least, fridge, freezer, staffed it nice for my clients, and best of all, outside. But I'm going to come to the terrace at a later stage. From here you go out to have your morning breakfast, but not now. Let me show you further. Down the hall, we're going to go right back to the main hall, from where I'll show you the first bedroom on this floor. But before you zoom out, to my left we have a laundry room, accessible from another door for more privacy. We have to the left here a storage room, a beautiful round arc, and back we are at the center of the house. And I have to say, it is a center. I can see families moving around, one being outside, sitting over here, downstairs in the bedroom, just coming, and everyone gathers in this hallway because it's so presentable. Beautiful. Now we move forward, we have guest toilet to your left, essential, and the first bedroom that I'm going to show you is on this level, on the first level, and it's ensuite, and it looks like this. What else is great about this bedroom? It has a private access to a spacious covered terrace outside. Plus, this terrace is private, and it also has a little passageway from where you can go to all the other terraces and to the kitchen. Now from here, if you were to sit down on the bed, which I always like to do just really quickly. And you look out, you have this gorgeous view to the ocean. So you just remind yourself, hey, I'm in the south, I'm looking at the Mediterranean Sea. Stunning. All right, next we go. Over here we have, like in every bedroom, please note, a lot of cupboard space and an ensuite bathroom. This bathroom is very spacious. You have to understand, nothing in this house is small, cramped up. There's a lot of space. You have a walk-in shower. Two double sinks for him and her. Window in every bathroom, very important. And yeah, very nice and size. Underfloor heating also in the bathrooms, which is important. Hate it in the morning when the marble, which the whole house is laid out with, is cold. Now let me show you what I promised. The way out from this bedroom to a private little terrace. Currently we have 2 sunbeds here and a really cool hammock which I fell asleep on once. From this little section which is private to this bedroom, we have this little passageway to another little terrace area which is not covered in case you want to enjoy the sun, followed with another covered area for a beautiful time to relax. Now let me tell you something very important. With 320 days of sunshine average, you will be so much exposed to the sun that you will appreciate being covered if you have the choice between being outside exposed and being covered. And this area ideally creates this. Furthermore, it also fuses with the living room, so you have this great feeling of indoor and outdoor atmosphere happening in this house. And like promised, just over there, I'll show you really quickly, you have the kitchen, dining table, private. Everything in this house is opened up and it has these little corners where you can just get comfortable in, like this one right here, which I call the breakfast dining table. The kitchen is just there. You come and enjoy your covered shady breakfast in the morning. Great. From here I would say we go right back into the living room, and from the living room back to the epicenter of the house. As I said, the epicenter of the house is this gorgeous well-lit hallway, and from there on I say we go upstairs, because upstairs we'll have 3 beautiful bedrooms to show you. So let's just get going. We are now on the first floor. As you can see right behind me and right in front of me, we have 2 bedrooms, and here in the center we have the beautiful, majestic master bedroom. Wow, you walk in, you immediately see this gorgeous view. Let me walk you outside so you understand what. But as you walk, envision this big sized master bedroom with a walk-in cupboard to my right, a master bedroom, bathroom to my left, and this gorgeous view here on this terrace. Stunning. Now from here, you can see Africa, you can see Gibraltar, you can see palm trees, greenery. It's a view that most clients, that's exactly what they're looking for. They come from a rainy country where they are viewing urban streets, and they want to have this open feeling. As the Germans would say, open view for an open thinker. And I'm sure that this will apply for the new owner of this beautiful house. Right, but from here, quick walk back to the master bedroom and to the other 2 bedrooms that we have left on this floor. Let's go. The same thing applies here, just so you know. You wake up in the morning from your bedroom, you've got this gorgeous view, you've got a nice round opening with 3 windows to get more light and exposure to the view. it is what you expect when you're the master of this suite. Over here, of course, you also have the master bathroom. And I just need to switch on the light. That's how it looks like, with a really big bathtub, jacuzzi bathtub, 2 sinks, again, marble, everything solid and clean, and this one piece mirror in the front. You can take a bath right here with some bubbly and have view to the ocean. It's really cool. Right, from here we have a shower as well, but it's a shower like any other. Behind me you have a walk-in cupboard, but I think most importantly, let me show you the other bedrooms that we have here, because we have one right in front that I would like to show you. So let's get cracking. Again, you also have a terrace north facing that you can be using for the afternoon sun. So there's a lot of thought that went into this house. All right, see for yourself. All right, here I am again. Just a quick update. Why is this room special? Let me start off with 2 side-facing windows, south and north. So you have the view to the beautiful La Concha from these 3 big windows. A lot of light coming in the afternoon, a lot of light coming in the morning from these windows. And most importantly, look at the cute little terrace that you have private on this terrace. You can sit here in the morning, enjoy your coffee, enjoy the view, and say yes to life. Very nice. Oh, you can also spy onto your master bedroom neighbor and see what he's up to. Or scream at your children for shouting and jumping into the pool. Whatever, you can do so. All right, you have double glazed windows here, all from Roman. They're very good, solid, isolating windows, just to keep you informed in that regard. Behind this bedroom here, you have the ensuite bathroom and shower. Let me show it to you. Oh, light goes on. Bath, shower to your right, bathtub to your far end. And everything again. This might not be the newest design, but it's very classical, and I would somehow say it's timeless, because this beautiful 1-piece cut marble and this big marble pieces on the wall, they're timeless and they're very beautiful. I personally love the style that this house is maintained in. Now, going back, a lot of cupboard spaces once again. As you know, there's a lot of that in this house in case you need to store stuff. This house is ideal. And last but not least, you have a little terrace. It's very little, it's probably 2 by 2, but it's enough to go outside and welcome your neighbor or wink. You can actually see your neighbors from here, which is great. Last but not least, on this floor, you have bedroom number 3, which is a replica of the bedroom we've just seen. It's basically left-sided, right-sided. It is the same space, it has the same layout, the window facing north and window facing south and north, and again a beautiful terrace here that you can enjoy. Now, quickly explain you have the same behind, shower, bathtub, cupboards. It's the same as in the one we've seen. Now, what I really want to tell you very fast is that if you were to buy this house, it's fantastic to have 3 bedrooms on the first floor, for the parents to be in the middle, have your younger daughter or child on one of these bedrooms and be close by. So that's what clients look for nowadays, and it's ideally positioned here in this house. So from here I say, back down the staircase to the basement. Let's go. As I said, we're walking down to the basement, 333 square meters of usable space down here. What's really cool is this. Check it out. Now that's what I call a gym. Most of the people in the modern days, when they develop a house, they put a room designated for a gym, they cluster together some machines. It doesn't look like someone works out. This gym, the owner works out he really trains hard. And you can see that the appliances used here from Sattler are professional, they're third dinkum, they are here to be used. Well, just check this out. Actually, he goes up to 42 kilos. I know I might look thin, but I'm strong. Don't have to prove myself. Right, what we have further here, we also have on the right hand side a sauna. Fantastic. Just finished the workout, you want to sweat a little bit more, you pop into the sauna right here. When you're done with the sauna, you can either jump into your jacuzzi, bathtub, have a shower here in that room, or have a shower in this room. Fully functional bathroom, toilet, shower. You've seen this, but hey, if you don't want to shower, you don't want to bath in the jacuzzi, what do? You use the staircase right there, run up to the garden, jump in the pool, and enjoy life. From now on, follow me. There's one more area to show you. That is the staff compartment. Look at that, someone left a massive rope here. Right, the staff compartment is the last place I'm going to show you here in the basement. Otherwise, what you find here are machinery rooms, a garage for 3 cars and a couple of bikes. But most importantly is the staff compartment featuring 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a nice big living room. Let's see what it looks like. All right, what you can do here, just real quick, it's pre-installed for a fully functional kitchen with sinks, whatever you want. So you can have a kitchenette here, keep the sofas that are quite nice. The owner put the bed here because he had a lot of family come over, and this is something I want to say. For anyone wanting to move to Spain, make sure to know the minute you have a property here, your family tree doubles in size. So you could change this around and make it into a nice living area, etc. Here to my left and my right, we have 2 bedrooms each that share that 1 bathroom. All right, coming down the stairs from the terrace, we are now on the garden area. What's so fantastic about it, I will explain to you. We are sitting on a plot of 2,263 square meters, which have been elevated to create this beautiful flat landscaping that this garden has. And that's difficult to obtain in a mountain terrain. Now, to my right, we have a beautiful gazebo barbecue bar area. Sun is shining, music is playing, you're frying some burgers, some veggies, got your friends over, served some beers. What more do you want? Right, moving on from here, I would like to quickly explain that the swimming pool is salted. It's super welcoming, and I'm actually thinking of having a quick jump in. The garden itself is superbly manicured. It is clean, it's not overwhelming. You've got palm trees all around the plot. And it's like a paradise, especially when you've got this little pond of palm trees. From every window you can actually see them, and it always makes me feel like I'm in paradise. So guys, to wrap it up, thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked what you have seen, make sure to give us the thumbs up. If you loved what you have seen, make sure to contact us, because this home is looking for a new buyer, and that could be you. So I'm signing off. All the best from the Marobrothers, and I wish you guys a beautiful day. Peace.